Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to describe people's appearance. This is another lesson on adjectives. Let us begin with a sentence. Mom is tall. Matangkad si nanay. Mom, nanay. It starts with an uppercase letter because in this context, it is used by the girl as a name. It is what she calls her mother. And also, the Filipino sentence uses si nanay because whenever we use a name, we precede it with the word si. Tall is matangkad. This is our adjective. In most of these sentences, the pattern you will see is that we start the sentence with the adjective followed by who is being described. Your dad is tall too. Matangkad din ang tatay mo. Your mo. Dad, tatay. Tall is matangkad, as we know. Too is din. Yes, he is taller than mom. Oo, mas matangkad siya kaysa kay nanay. Yes, oo. He, siya. Taller, mas matangkad. Than is kaysa. When we follow the word than with a proper noun, such as mom, we use kaysa, kay. You are all tall. Matatangkad kayong lahat. You is kayo. All is lahat. And to say you all, we say kayong lahat. Tall, matatangkad. This is describing more than one person. So we say matatangkad. The adjectives we just used are for describing a person by height or tangkad. Tall is matangkad. The comparative form taller is mas matangkad. Mas means more. The superlative form is tallest or pinaka matangkad. We use the prefix pinaka to form the superlative of an adjective. And when we want to refer to more than one person as being tall, we say matatangkad. You see what happened there? We inserted ta, the first two letters of the first syllable of the word tangkad. When we talk about a person's height, not everyone is tall. Some are short or maliit. Shorter, mas maliit. Shortest, pinaka maliit. And if more than one person is short, we refer to them as maliliit. Let us continue with more sentences. Ben was skinny before. Mapayat si Ben dati. Skinny, mapayat. Before, dati. He is chubby now. Mataba siya ngayon. He, siya. Chubby, mataba. Now, ngayon. Not at all. Hindi naman. Not, hindi. At all does not translate to naman, but to say the phrase, not at all, hindi naman. He is just average. Katamtaman lang siya. Just lang. And average, katamtaman. The adjectives we use describe a person based on body build or katawan. Body is katawan. In Filipino, we don't actually say body build, we only say katawan. And someone who is skinny or thin is mapayat or simply payat. Chubby or fat, mataba. Average, katamtaman. And slim or slender, balingkinitan. So again, skinny is mapayat or payat. Skinnier, mas mapayat. You can also say mas payat. And skinniest, pinaka mapayat or pinaka payat. And last, skinny in the plural sense. Whenever you're describing more than one person as being skinny, mapapayat. Now, I will leave it up to you to do this exercise with the words for chubby, slender, slim, or average. Try doing the comparative and superlative and plural form of these adjectives. Let us continue. Jane is beautiful. Maganda si Jane. Beautiful, maganda. Jen is beautiful too. Maganda din si Jen. Too, din. They're both beautiful. Maganda silang pareho. They, silang, both, pareho. To say they are both, we say silang pareho. And beautiful is maganda. Or you can also say pareho silang maganda. The adjectives we just used are about a person's beauty or ganda. We commonly say beautiful or maganda to describe a female. And handsome is pogi or guwapo to describe a male. Ugly is pangit. And average is katamtaman. As you can see here, not all adjectives start with ma. A lot of it start with ma, but sometimes there are irregular adjectives like pogi, guapo, pangit, and katamtaman. So more on the word beautiful, which is maganda. We use it to describe a woman, beautiful woman, magandang babae. But we can also say handsome man is magandang lalaki. Now, when we describe someone as beautiful, maganda applies to one person. If we are applying it to people, to say beautiful people, the plural sense, we say magaganda. What about handsome? Pogi or guapo applies to one person. When we want to say it in the plural sense, to say handsome people, we do not say mapopogi or magwagwapo. We say mga pogi or mga guwapo. When the adjective does not start with ma, we use mga in front of the word. Here are some more sentences. Jane is fair-skinned. Maputi si Jane. Fair-skinned, maputi. Jen is dark. Maitim si Jen. Dark, maitim. No, she is brown. Hindi, kayumanggi siya. No, hindi. She, siya. Brown, kayumanggi. The adjectives we just used are to describe a person by their skin tone or kulay ng balat. Skin is balat. Now, tone is not kulay because kulay is color. The Filipino version is actually color of skin. Kulay ng balat. Someone who is fair is maputi. Brown, kayumanggi. Dark, maitim. Pale, maputla. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. For homework, write a list of people and describe their appearance using the Filipino language. Compare their appearance with others. And read it out loud to yourself to practice your Filipino speaking vocal muscles. Good luck! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!